Hey guys, it's Wyatt Switchback. We just wanted to take a minute and go over the new Yeti kit that we've got here behind me. Guys, this machine, as far as rider experience goes, is beyond anything that I've experienced in the snow bike world. I've ridden Timbersleds for a long time, several years on the ARO and the RIOTs, and I'm going to be completely honest with you, when we first brought these in, I was still very hardcore towards the Timbersleds. But now that I've had some hours on this bike and I've had some time to experience what it's all about, guys, these things are the next generation. It's going to be the next big thing. These are incredible when it comes to mountain riding. The traction on these, the climbability, the playfulness of them, it's just everything that the Timbersled was just slightly lacking. And just the fun ability of these. I mean, we brought a bunch of guys out. We had a great time. We were jumping all over the place, track standing, and just goofing around and seeing what they were capable of. And this is just going to be the next generation to see what snow bikes are capable of and where they can go and who you can do it with. This bike versus a Timbersled is going to be a very different dynamic between the two. With the Timbersleds, they were really good when they were out. Skis were a little bit more of a washy ski than what this is. This is going to have a little bit more of a bite to it, which at first you're probably going to be a little uncomfortable with, but I promise you spend a full day on it and that will be your favorite ski. When it comes to playability, with the Timbersleds, you really only had the option between having an ARO and having a RIOT, right? So you could only be playful or you were going to be climbing. With this bike, you get the best of both worlds. You have all the adjustments on the kit. You buy once and you can have an ARO, you can have a RIOT, you can make it perform however you want. You can have it so playful that you have to be basically sitting on the handlebars in order to keep that front ski down, or you can suck that limiter strap all the way down and climb up about anything a Timbersled could never dream of. So if you're really looking for the next best bike and you're worried about the price tag when it comes to these, they are worth every penny, and in my opinion, they are the next best thing when it comes to Timbersled. Guys, we're riders too, and if you guys have any questions on what these are all about or how they would fit into your rider style, please give us a call. We'd love to help you out and answer any questions. But as far as if you want to know how these are set up and what we do to them and what we put on as accessory wise, make sure to check out the next video and we'll go through it with you.